questions coming in. I will tell them as we go. So Cheesy Gully Side has a few for you. He says, should I be contributing only up to how much my company matches and then use the rest in my after-tax brokerage so I have more control over what they invest?
All right, so there are two parts to this question. Once you are a part of your employer-sponsored plan, you should be maximizing your contributions. Why? Because you are paying less tax. That is the only investment that you can use, and you're paying less tax. Every single thing that you're doing is after tax dollars. So your money has to work harder for you. So you want to be able to maximize that benefit. And then thereafter, now you said, use the rest in my after tax brokerage account so I have more control. Yes, you can do that. And what I would want, because what we're saying, is that you want to make sure you get the tax benefit. That is one layer of it. And then you may also want to have your brokerage account, be buying different things. Yes, because you want your money to be actively working hard and faster for you, and you're growing your wealth. But in all of that, what you need to do is have a balanced approach. Because I would have had, in terms of being a part of an employer-sponsored plan, whether it is buying an asset, whether it is real estate, I would have said, you know what, this point in time, I may have to reduce my contributions because I may have to put more money towards this particular investment. And then when it provides the opportunity, I may say, okay, fine, I can now increase my contribution. So it is something that is fluid. It is based on what it is that you are planning for and what it is that you're doing. Because a part of my retirement plan is that I know that real estate is one of the key things that is going to provide additional sources of income for myself. So outside of investing in like a unit trust, which is our optimum capital real estate fund, which I get exposure in terms of real estate, there's also direct investment for me also in terms of property purchase.